And I am privileged today to lead us as we allow the Lord to bless this business.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa pagdalo nyo dito po sa opening. Dati po pangarap lang po namin na makapag-open ng branch dito. So it took us years bago po namin nagawa, and finally, eto na nga po yun. So we are very, very grateful, as in overwhelming po yung saya namin ngayon dahil nga itong pangarap namin na makapag-open ng branch dito, eto na. Thank you po sa pag-join sa amin dito sa isang napaka-momentous na event na to. And we all would like to welcome you to Salveo Well, Cebu City Branch. Let's open. Thank you so much.
And then one of the things that really naka-strike sa akin is that they also want to really put up this company because the blessing that they received from the products they want to share to others. And I think that's a wonderful reason why they have established their business, no?
Welcome to our school.
Si Christine Capindo, taga Mandawi, Cebu. Ako po ay isang platinum member at isang distributor. Ako po ay masayang-masaya dahil may Salveo Well na po dito sa Cebu, dahil malapit lang po at marami pong masasayahan na mga customer ko.
Hi, I'm Mercy Amodia from Cebu, Lapu-Lapu City. Of course, masaya. Super masaya. Kasi nga, diba, before, yung mga members, sinasabi nila it takes time to dumating yung mga products. So ngayon, I'm sure it will be like 2 or 3 days na lang siguro or earlier pa. Congratulations, Salveo Well, for being here in Cebu. You're all welcome. Team Cebu is here.
Galing pa po ako sa Bohol. Ako nga po pala si Shara Marie Betco, user po ng Salveo Barley Grass, na nagpapatunay na napaka-power ang Salveo dahil sobra niya po akong napagaling dahil sa aking kidney stones, nalabas ko po. Sana maraming gumaling pa po. Mag-Salveo na po kayo at super galing po. Super power.